Morning, all of you TYBSc physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series on solid state physics subject, and we have to continue here our third chapter, which is free electron and band theory of metals. And in this lecture we want to see the point which is considered the effective mass of an electron. So starting before this point, we want to see here one of the point which is respected to propagation vector, and this vector which is considered as, for example, that electric field, and electric field which is considered as the electric wave which is consist of the E naught is the amplitude of this electric field wave, and the factor which is considered as e to the power kx minus omega t, e to the power kx minus omega t, or we have to say that e to the power I kx minus omega t, or something that what is there. Okay, so we have to see here. So this factor which is known as the wave or phase factor. What is wave phase factor? Okay, that phase factor, and this constant, that is k, which is nothing but as the propagation factor of the wave, propagation factor or constant, or propagation constant or factor of wave, or we have to know that idea, or we have to understanding if this wave, so at which direction this wave propagate, at which direction this wave propagate, that is for example we have to consider this is the minus x direction, this is the plus x direction. So this wave which is going to positive direction or negative direction, we have to analyze here. So if we analyze here this factor taken, so that if kx minus omega t, or we have to consider that minus kx plus omega t, kx minus omega t or minus kx plus omega t. So we have to understanding here that kx have positive sign and here negative sign. Here kx has negative sign and this omega t has the positive sign, and that conclude sign, that conclude here if opposite sign is here, opposite sign is here. So that's why we have to say that wave traveling, wave traveling, wave traveling positive direction, wave traveling positive direction. And for example, okay, so this is for the opposite sign, and for example here the factor which come here, phase factor which is considered as kx plus omega t and minus kx minus omega t. So we have to say analyze here that kx also positive, omega t also positive, minus kx also negative, and this omega t also negative. So we have to consider that here, so that sign which is considered as the same sign on the both side. Okay, and this is considered that wave travels, wave travels for negative direction, for negative direction. So that is the phenomena to understanding the wave traveling for which what direction. Now we want to see here the effective mass of an electron, so that according to the wave mechanical theory of the particle, that particle which is moving in with the velocity v, which is equivalent to the wave packet with the group velocity vg. Okay, because we have to consider that wave mechanical theory has consist two part, that is also quantum mechanics has also that every wave, or sorry, every particle which has consider two dynamics, which is considered as the particle, or two nature which is considered as the particle as well as wave nature. And for example, if we have to any particle or something what which is travels in the group, so that is why which is considered as the group velocity. So we want to see here first of all, so what is mean by the wave velocity. Wave velocity, or which is considered as also the phase velocity, which is considered also phase velocity. Okay, and this phase velocity which is considered as velocity with respect to phase, so that is given by the equation that omega divided by k, omega divided by k. So this is equation number first. And if we want to see here, so that the particle moving with velocity v, if particle moving with velocity v, which is considered as a is equivalent to wave packet, is equivalent to wave packet. So that is considered as the wave travels in a group. So that velocity which is considered as with a group velocity Vg, with a group velocity Vg, and that group velocity which is considered as that Vg is equal to this phase velocity with respect to differentiation of propagation vector. So that is considered as d omega by dk. So that d omega by dk. So that's why this velocity which is considered as, so if the particle which is moving with this velocity v, which is considered as equivalent to wave packet with a group velocity vg, so that velocity v is equal to vg is equal to d omega by dk. And here, so that here omega is also there, here omega is also there, and that omega which is nothing but the angular velocity, where omega is equal to angular velocity. Okay, so now we want to see here the energy of the moving particle, which is considered as the E is equal to h nu. So again summarize this particle, if opposite sign which is present for this phase factor, so that wave traveling in the positive direction, and same sign is there, so that wave traveling which is from the negative direction. So if that wave which is traveling in the region, so that the energy is moving particle is given by, so energy of moving particle, energy of moving particle is given by, so that E is equal to h nu. Here h which is considered as the Planck constant, so h which is nothing but as the Planck's constant, and where nu is the frequency of the wave. Frequency of wave, and this c nu is nothing but the c by lambda. Okay, and if we see that nu which is considered that omega which is considered as omega is equal to twice pi nu. Okay, omega is equal to twice pi nu. So nu value is what? So that nu is equal to omega upon 2 pi. Omega upon 2 pi. Here this is equation number first. So this is equation number second. This is equation number second. So which is considered as this is equation number third. And this omega is equal to twice pi nu. So that's why nu is equal to omega upon h pi, and putting this value in equation 3, so that consider as that capital E is equal to h into nu, sorry, h into omega upon 2 pi. Okay, and we have to know that, so since that h upon 2 pi is equal to h cross, h upon 2 pi is equal to h cross, so rewrite this equation which is in terms of that E is equal to this h upon 2 pi, which is nothing but the h cross, so that E is equal to h cross omega. So this is the energy of the moving particle. So we have to consider this is the equation number 4. This is equation number 4, and that equation we have to differentiating above equation with respect to k. So that here h is what? That the h cross is constant angular velocity, and here energy. So we want to differentiate this equation with respect to k. So we have to write here, so differentiate equation 4 with respect to k, so this equation which is given by, so that dE by dk is equal to this h cross which is constant, and this derivative of this RHS side which is given by d omega by dk. So what is dE upon dk is equal to h cross d omega by dk. So if we want to rewrite this equation d omega by dk, so here h cross is numerator side, so going to this side which is the denominator, so that's why d omega divided by dk is equal to 1 upon h cross dE by dk. Okay, so this is considered as the equation number 5, and we have to know that idea. Okay, so that group velocity, that Vg is equal to d omega divided by dk. So that's why we have to see here that Vg is equal to 1 upon h cross dE divided by dk. So this equation will become here, and from this above equation it is clear that Vg which is depends upon that differentiation of this energy with respect to propagation vector, so that Vg depends on. So this is equation number 5, and that understanding that Vg, that group velocity, is depends on dE by dk. Okay, so According to this relation, we want to see here the variation of energy with K in the first Brillouin zone. So that we have to know that idea, so that the boundary condition of the Brillouin zone, which is considered as K is equal to plus pi by a, or that is considered as K is equal to plus or minus pi by a. So variation of energy with K. So variation of energy with K, so which is considered as that K value, which is considered as uh, in the first Brillouin zone, in the first Brillouin zone, and that we have to know that, so that boundary condition which is considered as K is equal to plus or minus pi by a. Okay, and if we want to draw a figure which is E with respect to K, so that is given by here the graphical representation which is considered as for example, this is considered the K axis, okay, and this is considered the energy axis, and we have to know that condition for the solving of the linear equation, which is considered as whatever potential energy or whatever energy which is given, that solving this equation, so that first condition which is considered as here, so for example, that first derivative, that dE divided by dk, divided by dk is equal to 0, that is considered as the first derivative is 0. Okay, and so if we see that, so that the value of that graphical representation with is E respect to K, and if you know that, so that is the dE by dk, that first derivative is 0, that original condition, so here the point is 0, and your Brillouin zone limit or the boundary condition which is considered as that K is equal to pi by a, and next one which is condition that represent that K is equal to minus pi by a. So that according to the mathematical expression as given here, so we have to know that first derivative of this equation which is equal to 0, so we have to know that energy at this original position, so that energy value is 0, and that K is equal to pi by a and K is equal to minus pi by a. For these two condition, that your value which is maximum, so that we have to consider that graphical representation of this E versus K, which is nothing but as like this, so that the value dE by dk is 0 for the mean position, and that boundary condition, the energy or the value of the energy which is maximum for K is equal to plus pi by a and K is equal to minus pi by a, and this graph which is represent, so that the position A for this K is equal to plus pi by a and position B is equal to K is equal to minus pi by a. On this position your energy is maximum, and this mean position your energy is minimum. Okay, so this is the graphical representation which is considered as the variation of energy E versus K. Now next figure which is considered here, so that here that clear that understanding, so that velocity which is Vg is equal to 0. Okay, so that understanding for this graph, so that Vg is equal to 0 because of that dE divided by dk is equal to 0. dE by dk is equal to 0, so that Brillouin zone boundary we cannot have propagating the wave, but only stationary wave are formed due to the back and forth Bragg's reflection. So that is known by, so in this zone, in this Brillouin zone, k is equal to pi by a, k is equal to minus pi by a, here Vg is 0, that velocity is 0. That's why wave which is not traveling in this region, only here wave which is considered as the standing wave, For if we consider the figure second, so that is considered here the graphical representation again, velocity with respect to that group velocity with respect to k. So that consider as this horizontal axis, which is nothing but the k, and this vertical axis, which is nothing but the group velocity, that Vg, and that your boundary condition which is again minus pi by a, k is equal to minus pi by a, and k is equal to plus pi by a. So we have to see here the condition of the what is the value of the k, so that k is equal to here plus pi by a, here k is equal to which is nothing but the minus pi by a. So we have to understanding the condition, so that which is considered as the curve which is indicate the velocity of electron is 0 for k is equal to 0, and with k naught for k is equal to plus pi by a, and k is equal to k naught, that the group velocity which is maximum, so that the condition of the these two condition, so that is considered as here, so that for k is equal to 0, in case for case first, what for k is equal to 0, that group velocity is equal to 0. So that's why this condition, your group velocity which is 0, and for k is equal to minus pi by a, and k is equal to plus pi by a, so that you are given the group velocity is maximum, and that is considered as that k is equal to k naught. So that graphical representation of this which is considered as this type, so that this boundary condition which is k is equal to minus pi by a, here that k is equal to k naught, and k is equal to k naught, so that group velocity at for k is equal to 0, that is 0, and that k is equal to k naught for minus pi by a, and plus k is equal to plus pi by a, that group velocity which is maximum, and that which is considered as that the point of the k axis, that group velocity is maximum, is called the point of inflection. So this point, so that velocity is maximum, so that point, and this point which is known as the point of inflection, this point. So this is the idea, this is also the point of inflection, that the given value if we see that point of inflection which is considered as, let us now study the effect of applied field E on the motion of electron which is present in the Brillouin zone energy. So we want to see that the effect of the energy, effect of the applied electric field E on the motion of the electron. So what is the effect which we want to see here? So this is very interesting concept, so that have analyzed, we have to get the idea. So how the wave traveling, which direction which is traveling, and what is the effect of velocity with respect to that propagation vector, what is the value of velocities, group velocity is 0 for what condition. So this idea which analyze here. Now next lecture we want to see that here the if the applied electric field E, so that what the effect of this electric field on the electron, motion of the electron which is present in the Brillouin zone, which will be seen in the next lecture. So thanking of you.